today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I got quite a bit of stuff. So I'm going to split it into 3 separate videos because I don't want this video being too long. I'm going to try and keep it at 10 minutes or less. We'll see how that goes. But first of all, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It is free. My goal is to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of December. So by December 31st, I want to have 1,000 subscribers. Right now, I'm almost, I'm a little over 400 subscribers. When I get to 500, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. When I get to the 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a really big giveaway, a huge one. So I want you guys to make sure that you are subscribed and keep watching. I would really appreciate it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'm just going to show these things at random. Nothing's in any particular order. So the first thing that I found, which I was pretty excited because I've not seen this at my Dollar Tree before. I believe it's new, but it's the Decorative Nautical rope, and it's 6.9 feet. And I know that they do have nautical rope, and I have purchased it before, but this one is different. The old nautical rope is, I think it's made out of jute, but it's a darker brown color and it's kind of frayed. But this one isn't. This is a light, sort of an off-white beigey color, and it's smooth. So anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them just yet, but we'll see. The next thing that I found is this fishing net decor, and they usually have this every year during the summertime. And the reason why I got this is because I am making a mermaid themed wreath, and I thought it might be cute to have a little fishing net on the wreath. So that's why I grabbed this. The next thing that I picked up is by Cooking Concepts, and it's a silicone basting brush. And I don't know about you guys, but I love to grill, especially in the summertime. And I grill pretty much from spring until it gets too cold outside to grill, because I don't like cooking in my house during the summertime because it heats it up and gets it too hot, and I would just rather grill anyway. It's quicker and easier. So anyway, I got this basting brush because my old one had broke, and so I'm hoping that this works, but I'm not real sure. We're just gonna have to see. The next thing that I found, it says it's new. It's by e.l.f. and it's the Best Friend Eyeshadow Duo, and Peach Squad is the color. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Sorry about their glare. I'm going to be getting some lighting hopefully soon. But I got this because I thought it would look good with my skin tone and my hair color. Being a redhead, it's really hard to find makeup that complements you. So hopefully this will work, and hopefully it has a really good color payoff. Let's see here. The next thing that I found is this Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm. Moisturizing. It's in the scent or the flavor Cherry and Shea Butter. And you get 2 in here, so that's a pretty good deal. 2 for $1, so that's 50 cents a piece. I just love any kind of lip balm or chapstick or lip gloss, or I always have some in reach. So anyway, I've got this, thought I'd try it and see if I liked it. The next thing that I found, which is new to my store, I've not seen this at my store. I know there are some YouTubers who have hauled these already, but these are by Crafter's Square. They're finger protectors, 100% silicone, and you get 3 in here. So that's a pretty good deal. You get 3. And I am all the time burning my fingers with my hot glue gun whenever I'm making my wreaths or when I'm crafting or anything. So I thought it'd be awesome to have this. Hopefully I can remember to wear these when I'm doing my stuff, but we'll see. I hope they work. The next thing that I found was right at the checkout at the cash registers. It's the Trident Vibes. This flavor is Peppermint Wave. There's 40 pieces in here of gum. Now, I have seen these at Walmart, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe they're like close to $3.50 or something like that per container. And to me, that's kind of expensive for gum. So when I seen these for $1, I was like, heck yeah, I want to grab that. So I got that. The next thing that I got this from my daughter. It is a bow scrunchie, and it's navy blue, satin, like a satin ribbon. I think it's really pretty. She has this really cute, sort of a nautical type dress. It's a navy blue and white striped dress. But anyway, I thought this would look really cute in her hair when she wore that dress. So I got that for her. The next things that I picked up, I've never seen at my Dollar Tree. It's the Spa April Bath and Shower under eye mask and a lip mask. I picked up 2 of these, one for myself and one for my daughter. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree, and I have not been sleeping very well lately, and I've got bags under my eyes, if you can probably tell. So hopefully these will work. We'll have to see. The next things that I picked up are, I'm down to my last list pad, magnetic list pad that I put on my refrigerator. And I needed to get a couple more. So, and my Dollar Tree didn't really have much of a selection. So anyway, I grabbed these 2. They're by Jot, the magnetic list pads. They each have 60 sheets. This one's really pretty. It's sort of a summery theme. It's got flowers on it and the gray and white stripes. So I grabbed that one. And the other one says gather here at the top on the heart. And then on the bottom, it's got these little black and white, I think it's like a gingham pattern type stars on the bottom, which I think is, you know, it's sort of patriotic, sort of 4th of July-ish country type. So anyway, I grabbed that one. I was almost out of the Reynolds Wrap foil sheets, so I went ahead and grabbed another box. This is the pre-cut pop-up foil sheets. You get 25 in here. I really like these. I think they're awesome, and it's a repurchase. I always get them. The next 3 things that I picked up are the Old Williamsburg mason jar candles, and if you've watched my videos, you know I love these. I got the scent Strawberries and Cream. And this one smells really, really good. It's really sweet. It does smell like strawberries. It's a pretty pink color. The others I picked up are Country Peach. And I got 2 of the same scent because this smells so good. If you like anything peach scented, you should get this because it smells really good. And these are really, really good candles for burning in like a small room, like your bathroom, which is where I burn mine. They do have a really good throw. I probably wouldn't burn them in like a large room because, I mean, you'll still smell it, but it won't be, you know, real strong. So, but anyway, I just love these. Now, the last thing, I'm so excited. It was the last thing that they had. It was the last one they had. And when I saw it, I gasped, and I'm sure the person sitting next to me thought I was having a heart attack, but it is so stinking cute. It says, our farmhouse, and look at it. It's a little Rooster Weathervane. If you like farmhouse themed kind of things like I do, my house, that's how I've got it decorated. I just love this. It's so cute. You can see it's a little, I think it's like ceramic or porcelain or something, but I think it's so cute. It is only, I don't know, probably about 3.5 inches tall, I would say. So this would look really cute on like a 3-tiered tray, I think. So anyway, I thought this was so cute. They did have a pink one and a blue one, I believe, and they had something different on them. I don't recall what was on the front, but I really liked this one, so, and it was the last one, so I grabbed it. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you like Dollar Tree hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do. I hope that you guys are all having a wonderful week, and I just want to thank you all for watching. Bye!